Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael. Welcome to week 52 of the Robinhood 52-week options trading challenge. I would like to start this video off by saying, for those of you who have watched from start to finish, thank you so much for all your support. I wish you the best in your trading journey, whether it be options, whether it be stocks. Hopefully you have some sort of long-term, because if there's anything I've learned from this, long-term is by far the way to go. But anyways, I don't want to hold you up too much longer, so please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family. And also, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And if you haven't already, Webull is giving away 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 to all of its new users who sign up using my referral link down below in the description. The first stock valued anywhere from $2.50 up to $250, and the second stock valued anywhere from $12 to $1,400. So just for signing up and making a small deposit, you're guaranteed at least a $14 return right off the bat, and you have the potential to earn anywhere up to $1,400. So if you haven't already done that, just wanted to let you know that's down there in the description. And when you sign up using my link, it also helps to support the channel. So if you use my link, I really appreciate it. But yeah, I don't want to hold y'all up too much longer. So one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. Do with it as you will. And without further ado, let's get into the video. What's good? It is Thursday after market close, and as you can see, we missed the first few days of the week, so we have a bit of catching up to do. Alright, so first let's get into what happened in the front half of the week, and then we will go over what happened today. Alright, so if you watched last week's video, you saw that I held into the weekend heavily leveraged with a bunch of SPY puts. And then on Monday, market opens and pretty much all of them are deep in the money, and if they would have expired in the money, I should have ended up with somewhere around $3,000. Alright, so that part I'm sure y'all already got, but here's what really happened. So on Saturday, when I posted last week's video, I was actually driving to Colorado. It took me 2 days to drive there. I stopped in Amarillo, and then on Sunday finished driving to Colorado. And I didn't really just go to Colorado to just sit around and have a good time. There's obviously plenty to do in there, but I was there on some strict business, so I didn't really have leisure time when I was out there. But I'm out there in Colorado. First thing I noticed is they're an hour behind my normal time zone, so it kind of threw me off a little bit when I was checking the stock market, but never mind that, I was still able to check. Monday market opens, I'm up to a little over $2,000, and I'm like, okay, we can do this. And the contracts were deep in the money, and all they had to do was expire at the price they were at. But the market decided to just rip up the whole day. After I set my phone down and didn't look at the market for the rest of the day, the market just continued ripping up. And then pretty much after that, at the end of the day, when I got to look at my account was clapped. Okay, so the next day I'm down to about $600. And actually, I think it'll be easier to just hop in the handy dandy portfolio and take a look at what happened. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, the portfolio is not doing so hot. This is the lowest the account has been, and I don't know how long, but yeah, it's low. Right now I have $99 buying power, and it's not looking like a good end to the challenge. So yeah, this is where we're standing. That $600 that was remaining on Monday, it was in a few ghetto spreads, but they were opposing ghetto spreads. I had a call ghetto spread on Apple, I had a put ghetto spread on Apple. Once I closed out those positions, I also had some Tesla ghetto spreads. Once I closed those out, I closed them out on Wednesday, and it ended up being around $400. And then today I had some contracts, and we opened up around 360, but I made a bad play today, so it didn't really work out. But anyways, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I was not available to really look at my account or do anything. And today was the first day I was really able to get in and kind of clear out my account and do anything. So yeah, as of right now, this is where we're sitting. So really, we just have one day to see how we finish. I think by this point, it's quite clear that unless a miracle happens, I'm not going to hit my goal. But anyways, we're still going to go through with this, and we're going to take a look at how we ended. Okay, so on the week, we are down $1,000. Okay, but looking at my positions, I'm holding 4 positions, a ghetto spread on Spotify, a UUP call, and a gush call. So yeah, this is really all I'm holding right now. That's it for Thursday. I will catch you on Friday, and hopefully a miracle happens. It is Friday after market close, aka the last day of the Robinhood 52-week options trading challenge. But before we get into the portfolio, I would just like to take this moment right here, right now, to say thank you to each and every one of you who has watched, supported, critiqued, gave any kind of feedback, anything. You are so important to what I've learned, what I'm learning. I just want to say thank you for all your support and all that you have done. And while this challenge may not have gone the way that I hoped that it would go, and the way that most of you probably hoped it would go, there was definitely plenty learned. I think the biggest thing that I've learned is go long on stocks, don't trade against the market, and if you do trade options, make sure you get time on them. I think one of my biggest downfalls for this challenge was trying to force profits every week, all those kind of things. It may be a bit of time before I do a challenge quite as lengthy as a 52-week challenge, because I will not lie, this challenge has there have been so many times that I just wanted the challenge to be over just so I could do other trades in this account. But everything that I've done in this account has, for the most part, all been good fun. It's been a big learning experience, and I know that you see over the year and a half that I've been trading, I'm down over $7,000. Me being the optimist that I am, I just look at it and think I paid more than a semester of college. So I have more than a lifetime's worth of learning over the past year and a half, and that has set me ahead for the future. Just for those of you who think that I blew all my money, that I don't have any other investment accounts, I have about 3 or 4 other accounts that I trade in. 2 of them are long-term. I don't do these high-risk trades in them, and those are more slow building or just selling premium. That being said, don't think I'm done doing challenges on this channel, but know that it may be a while before I do a challenge that lasts a year, because ooh, that was a long time. But anyways, without further ado, let's hop into the handy dandy Robinhood one last time and see how we finish this challenge. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, that is 12.34%. On the week, we are down 89%. And again, we are down $7,315. That's for the entirety of my account, which, just for those of you who are curious, I opened this account on October 1st, 2018. So yeah, in a few months, when it's October, I will have been trading for 2 years. All right, but with that being said, let's look at the positions I'm in and see kind of where I hopped in and out throughout the day. Okay, so looking at the positions that I'm holding 2 puts on Win, I'm holding 1 put on Expedia, I'm holding 1 UUP call, and I'm still holding those Gush calls. So now it feels good that I can kind of just relax, let these do their thing, sell out when they're profitable, just do kind of whatever I want. I think I'm kind of going to make this more of a sleeping option account, but we'll see. All right, so you see the positions I'm in, but you don't quite see the trades I made today. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, being pressed on time and having a low balance, it didn't really make for the best volatility trading for me, so I took L's on most of the swings I was trying to do. Most of it was just day trades trying to protect my balance. Okay, so the day started out with me selling out of my Spotify debit spread, which was actually that ghetto spread that I had made on the Spotify yesterday. And I already removed my initial investments, so that $65 right there is all profit. But then the market took a turn today and it started coming down, so I tried to flip to a more defensive position, but then it started going back up. So the green that I had turned to red. Earlier today, I grabbed the 220 call on Beyond, saw that went down. I sold out of it for $44, so yeah, took an L on that one. And then, oh, also this morning, first thing, I grabbed a Nikola call just because I thought it was going to run up today, just because I just thought Nikola was going to run up today. I know there's not much logic to that, but it just seemed like it was going to be a good day for the market. And I knew if the market was running up, Nikola would be running up too, just because of the hype that everyone has around it. I grabbed 2 Win puts and I grabbed an Expedia put, and I'm currently up on those, as you can see over here. So yeah, I'm up $7 overall on the Win puts, and I'm up $3 overall on the Expedia puts. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video or just enjoyed the challenge overall, please be sure to smash the like button. Also, I want to know how the stock market treats you this week. It was kind of really choppy in my opinion every day, especially on Monday through Wednesday for me when I was on the road all day. But yeah, I want to know how the stock market treats you this week. And if for some reason you haven't already, Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching and peace.